outfit. Welcome back to another awesome Trent Cardinal art video where I'm going to show you how to draw Shy Guy. This Shy Guy, where he normally always wears a mask. So yeah, I'm going to just show you how to draw him. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to draw for Shy Guy is going to be the head. So it's going to be a big oval. Alright, then after that oval, we're gonna draw another oval, then another oval, and those are gonna be colored in black later. Then we're gonna draw another oval at the bottom for the mouth. Then to draw its band, it's just gonna be a rectangle. Then right here, we're gonna make like a stretched out backwards C. So we're gonna make stretched backwards C. Then we're gonna make a little line right there. And erase that. Alright. Then we're gonna draw the hand, which is just gonna be a kinda sideways U. So we're gonna draw kinda like a sideways U. You could draw the rest of the Shy Guy part right there. Shy Guy's thing. Then you're gonna draw a line that goes right here and goes all the way to that arm. Then right here we're gonna make a line and continue that line all the way right there. Make a rectangle. Then do the same thing right there with another line. And right here you can make the other arm, which is a C. Time for the feet. So you're just gonna draw a big W, kinda, and then you're gonna add a line on it. Well, under it. Alright, so now we got the sketching part done, which was pretty easy. Not too hard, it's pretty easy. Sorry about that. This is what it should look like. But you're gonna grab your colors, which is just gonna be, for this video, it's gonna be a red or reds if you're shading, which I'm doing. So a red. Then another red if you're shading. Don't have to. Then you're gonna need 2 blues or 1 blue. Hold on, I chose the wrong colors. 2 blues or 1 blue. Then you're gonna need a grayish color, then a whitish color. And I'm gonna do what I did on the shark video where I did the outlining first. So I'm gonna just do the outlining. I'll fast forward through all this outlining. Alright, now that I finished the outlining, I don't have to worry about the outlining. And I have to erase some stuff. To finish that line. Alright, I'm gonna fast forward through all this coloring.